So hi, welcome to the Phat Pasty YouTube channel. We're the Fat Controllers, Paul and Laura, and what we're going to do today is tell you a little bit about how we started the business, what we do as a business, and share with you some ideas and some new products that we're going to be developing and bringing to the market. So firstly, we started the business 15 years ago. Laura and I actually working from our kitchen literally had this little Phat Pasty camper van, and all our pasties were made in Cornwall, and every morning we filled up the back of the van and we went out and delivered to all the local businesses. So the business has moved on in the last 15 years. We've also moved on a little bit, a lot greyer, I have to say, but since we started the business we now mainly supply lots of the food service operators. So everywhere across the country, from the National Trust to P&O ferries, universities, hospitals, and lots of cafes and restaurants as well. So the range that we have are all handmade Cornish pasties. These are all made in Cornwall. We were absolutely delighted to be the winners of the World Pasty Championships. So this year in Eden, all the pasty companies come together. And our Cornish pasty, our traditional Cornish pasty, was actually the winner. So that's that one, Laura, isn't it? So
stick in there.
Yeah, stick him in the front there. So hand crimped. We use British Red Tractor meat. We're very passionate about using British sustainable products. So we're Soil Association members, and we actually put a higher meat content in our traditional Cornish than most pasties that you find in the market. Again, we feel quite strongly that being a traditional Cornish pasty, it needs to be a really juicy and well-filled pasty. So that's our traditional Cornish. We also have a whole range of other flavours. So if you go onto our website, you'll see Fat at Home, www.phatathome.com. And that's the place where we launched our new delivery service, where we actually send out pasties direct to people via post. They go out by courier, and you get those delivered to you at home. So Laura's going to tell you about a couple of other products that we have. Laura, do you want to talk about the vegan pasty, which we're very proud about?
So let's swap, shall we?
Yep, great.
Okay, so vegan. We have vegan pasty. The vegan market is a huge market for us. We have had great fun developing this, haven't we?
Yep. And
we work with a great chef who had a grandmother who was from Kerala. And so we use really authentic spice blend to come up with this amazing spicy cauliflower, spinach and onion bhaji product. So great for non-vegans as well. You don't have to be vegan. To support that, as well as doing the vegan products, we decided last year to join with a fantastic word forest organisation who are a brilliant charity, and we donate for all our vegan products. We donate and we plant trees, and we build classrooms for children, and we educate the mums as well. Brilliant.
So the other thing that we can just touch on quickly is we don't just make pasties, as you can see here. We also have things like jumbo sausage rolls. This is a great seller, again, British pork, lovely sausage roll product. And the other thing that we have are deep filled pies. And our pie range we actually introduced a couple of years ago. The whole idea being we wanted a pie which was the same quality and the same standard as our pasties. We went out, we looked at all the pies in the market, and we just couldn't find a pie that we were happy with. So we developed these pies. So this is one of our deep filled pies. This is a steak and Cornish ale. And then we have a whole range. We've got a chicken bacon mushroom, and we've got a great vegan pie as well. So that's a little bit about us. As I say, this year with the COVID situation, we had lots of customers contacting us who were normally eating our pies and pasties in cafes and restaurants. And on the back of that, we decided to launch Phat at Home. So if you do want to have some pasties delivered to you at home, pop onto the website. All the pasties are there, and you can either order cases of the traditional or the flavours, or we've got lots of variety packs and a working from home pack and a sampler pack.
Some pie sampler packs as well.
So that's us. Thanks for listening and watching, and we'll keep you updated.